In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted Instagram post. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing down below and giving the video a like so others can find it. So the first thing you're going to do is to open the Instagram app. You're gonna head to your profile right here at the bottom right. Once you're here, select the hamburger menu. That's gonna be the 3 lines right here at the top. Instagram changes the order of the settings quite often, but what you're looking for is your activity. Once you're here, you will select recently deleted. And here you're going to see all the posts and reels that you have deleted in the last 30 days. Unfortunately, if it has been more than 30 days, you won't be able to restore them. So let's say I want to restore this image right here. I will simply tap on it. Then you will tap on the 3 dots and just select restore at the bottom. Simply confirm your action, and now the post should be available right here at the bottom of your screen. Hope that helps.